Hey there, I wanted to quickly make this video to show you how to use the AI studio of BetterPic in order to go from an image that was generated like this is my LinkedIn profile picture right now, all the way to creating this exact same picture with the exact same look, but then with different clothing styles. Maybe you want to use that for your WhatsApp or your Facebook where it's a little bit more casual. So the first thing you have to do is that you'll see on every single image, but also here, you can click on the BP AI edit. Once you click here, well, in this case, I need to re-click it. I will get my picture on the AI studio. So that's the image that you're editing. Now you'll see that there's a bunch of options. And in this case, I'm just going to go for the clothing. So what I've done to generate this clothing that you can see right here is I went into clothing and then I picked one of these different styles. In this case, I picked casual. And as you can see, the color is brown. So I went into brown. So what you'll be able to see, so this is not the preview of the actual image that will be generated, but it will show you like a before and after. Like you can keep the exact same face and the exact same body, but then with different clothing. What you'll see here is you're going to be able to generate the pictures by just clicking this button. You'll see that it costs 10 credits. I see up top that I have around 1,000 credits left. If you don't have any credits left, just click here and top up to whatever credits you would still need to generate those pictures. And you also see the average time. Mostly it's around 2 to 4 minutes in this case, and it will generate 2 to 4 images. Once you click here, what's going to happen is these are going to start generating. I can actually click on that. I'm just going to go out of my favorites. That's going to start loading. And what you're going to see is on the top, actually there's going to be AI clothing starting here. So there we go. These are now being generated. You can see there's 4 images being generated, and those will end up looking like this, meaning the exact same face, posture, but also just changing the clothing into the casual style that you looked at into a brown style. But you can go crazy as you want in order to generate new clothing styles for the exact same image that you liked already. All right. Thank you very much.